Hi everyone, welcome back to Bollywood Abhinay. Namaste. My name is Natalia. उम्मीद करती हूँ सारे खुश होंगे, ठीक होंगे. Having a blessed year ahead. So this video is for people who are thinking of becoming actors, dreaming of becoming actors, wanting to become actors. Hoping at the end of the video, Bollywood Abhinay has helped you to think why you want to become an actor and what can take you on that path of your journey. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that comes to your mind or should come to your mind when you are thinking of becoming an actor कि मुझे एक्टिंग क्यों करना है. Is it my pure passion for acting? Along with passion, I love experiencing other people's life and I love playing different kinds of character. Am I dramatic? I consider this whole world a stage. Is acting एक जुनून मेरे अंदर कि मुझे acting ही करना है. I am born to become an actor. I am born to sit in front of the camera, talk, laugh, cry. If you are thinking कि मुझे actor इसलिए बनना है कि I want to become a celebrity, I want to have name, fame, glory. I want कि लोग मेरे आसपास घूमे. So if that is the only thing that is drawing you to this industry, think again. And remember, this industry is so uncertain that on every box office day, a new star is born. और ऐसे बहुत सारे stars आए और गए. यहाँ पे fame और name तो वो एक by product है. The main thing that will help you survive is your passion, is your want to learn and become better, because every step of this industry is learning, performing, acting, reacting. The only thing that will help you survive is your want to getting inspired and is your want to going in depth. अगर आपके पास पैशन है ना, तभी आप इस इंडस्ट्री में you can sustain, you can survive, you can live. Otherwise star तो you might become a star by fluke, but फिर what happens after that? If it's only celebrity giri that is in your head, definitely not. You're not going to be able to sustain yourself and you will fade away. So remember that if you're stepping this industry, it should be only passion and only pure dedication. It should be a goal कि मुझे acting करना है. That should not be a goal कि मुझे celebrity बनना है. I just want to be in front of the camera. Be it what? Be it भिखारी का role या be it any role, पागल का role, but I will give my 100%. Sit and think कि why do I want to become an actor? What makes a successful actor? The first thing we need to understand that when you look at a particular role, when you look at a particular character, remember the first element is yourself, that is your character. The second element is the role that you are going to play. Like your character, the role that you're going to play. These are two elements. Now the third element is you and the character becoming one. You letting that character seep under your skin and you become a one entity in front of the camera the moment they say action, and you are not acting but you are reacting to situations in front of you as the character would. And the fourth element is through the director's medium, that what that character would want to convey through the director's medium. So that character in you and you in that character together will go as per what the director wants. As an actor, you need to want to go beyond. मतलब कि अगर मैं गुजराती हूँ तो not necessary कि मुझे गुजराती accent में ही बोलना है. I need to be versatile. Maybe I'm doing a character of a Maharashtrian lady, like beyond the aspect of my own comfort zone. I need to go start doing my research. How is this character? What is the background of this character that is put in front of me? And that brings you to the next step, that is practice. If I am Gujarati playing a role of a Maharashtrian, I definitely need to know कि महाराष्ट्र लोग कैसे बैठते, कैसे खाते, and how they talk, how they interact, how they socialize. So ये सब चीज़ें जानने के बाद practice करना बहुत ज़रूरी है एज एन एक्टर. कि प्रैक्टिस 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. Stand in front of the mirror, stand in front of your camera at home. Keep practicing your character. And जब your director says action, तो जो आपका कैरेक्टर और वो जो कैरेक्टर ऑन स्क्रीन दोनों एक हो जाते हैं and you just react to situations around you as the character would. Next is networking. If you want to enter this industry, that one thing that will help you with is networking. Like you need to be a pleasant personality, but you need to be approachable. कि सामने वाला इंसान देख के बोले कि okay, this person is friendly, we can have a conversation. Remember that if you're getting into that industry, the only thing that would get people to like you is your originality, because हर एक में एक यूनिकनेस है. You need to sell your uniqueness in front of people. So do not pretend to be somebody else. Do not try to act like someone else. Focus on being at the right place at the right time with the right kind of people and the right kind of attitude. That will definitely help you. The next is patience. As an actor you need to keep a lot of patience. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज मैंने सोच लिया कि मुझे acting करना है, so next moment it should work, I should clear the first audition and get the role and start on the job. ऐसा नहीं है. Even to get the role, and once you have got the role also at work, you need to be a very patient person, because यहाँ पर if you lose your patience you lose everything. Getting into the industry also, it could take 1 year, it could take 6 months, it could take 10 years. Only if you maintain your patience you will be able to maintain your uniqueness and your personality. That brings us to the next point, which is branding yourself. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. This line is absolutely apt when it comes to show business, that you should be a brand for yourself. कि सामने वाला बंदा जब देखे ना तो he would decide कि नहीं, चलो इस बंदे को चांस देना ही चाहिए. To come to that level you need to brand yourself, and you will be able to brand yourself only if you do not have any backlog, any negativity in your mind, any anger, impatience or self doubt. because जो भी हम लोग दिमाग में सोचते हैं ना, your face reflects it. Remember कि your face is a mirror reflection of your soul. So if you want to get into show business, that your outlook, your overall appearance reflects what's in your mind. So make sure that आपका जो दिमाग है उसमें कोई कचरा ना हो. You need to work on yourself, and working on yourself does not mean कि you only sit and think मुझे acting करना है, मुझे actor बनना है, मुझे actor बनना है. नहीं, it is practice, perseverance, patience. You need to exercise, you need to be mindful of your diet, you need to maintain your skin, maintain your body, maintain every aspect, mind, heart, body and soul. As an actor you need to be an encyclopedia. You need to know what's happening around you. You need to know everything, be it from food, clothing, television, politics. You need to have knowledge. You cannot be only focused on one thing and neglect things around you. You cannot be looking dumb in front of people, because you never know, things would come up, maybe a part of your character, things would come up and would want you to do something. Like for example, now I get the role, okay, I get the role, and what if that role is of a housewife and मैंने तो कभी cooking की ही नहीं. Now you want to play a role of somebody who's a housewife, so definitely you need to have certain knowledge of what happens in the kitchen, कि मसाले कहाँ रखे जाते हैं, कि मसाला क्या होता है, what is दालचीनी and what is chili powder. You cannot limit yourself to a particular environment or particular situation. You need to know everything and anything. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं मुझे तो एक्ट्रेस बनना था ना, तो like why should I go and do खाना पकाना. Who knows, कल जाके तुमको वही रोल मिले and then you will be like standing and director will ask you, क्यों तुमने कभी खाना नहीं बनाया. You need to be prepared for that particular situation. Okay, थोड़ा बहुत तो रिसर्च तो हम लोग सभी करते हैं. इट्स नॉट लाइक तुमको सब चीज एट द टॉप ऑफ योर हेड होना चाहिए, बट देन डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू हैव सर्टेन एटलीस्ट 1% नॉलेज कि सामने वाला बंदा सोचे कि हाँ ठीक है, ये बंदी या ये बंदा इज फिट फॉर द रोल. एन एक्टर नीड्स टू बी वर्सेटाइल इन थॉट. He needs to be intelligent, intellectual and a total encyclopedia. You need to be very observant कि हमारे आसपास ना क्या चल रहा है. Second, imagination. Remember, the script is in front of you. You need to have in depth of your script, but at the same time you need to have your own creativity alive. And remember that creativity will come only अगर आपके पास knowledge हो. As an actor, creativity is very important, क्योंकि script में you have to put your personalized touch. You are creative enough to add your own spices to that character, giving it a personal touch where it shines on screen. Now this brings us to the last step, where we will try to understand कि acting also has two main streams. जैसे कि गंगोत्री के two main streams है. One is Bhagirathi and the other is Padma. That way even acting has two main streams. One is films, second is theatre. Then you need to decide कि मुझे films में जाना है कि theatre में जाना है. Now film is, in short, doing your work or doing your projecting through the director's medium. It involves cameras, it involves retakes, it involves improvisation of dialogues, and every shot is filmed, every shot is okayed by the director or by the editing team that is films. Now when you come to theater, you are definitely trained, but then there is no retake. Once you go on stage, it is through actor's medium. You can do whatever you want. The actor is the whole and soul owner of whatever happens. Or if it's a hit, तो गालिन्स आएंगे, if it's a flop, जूते आएंगे. That outcome will be on the spot, जूता या गालिन्स. So this is the difference. As an actor, you need to have complete control over your emotions, over your feelings, over your body language. अगर आप अपने आप पर पूरा कंट्रोल रखते हैं, आपकी इमोशंस पर पूरा कंट्रोल रखते हैं, then only you will be able to control the character under your skin. And that brings us to now Ras. This is how we can take full control of our face, of our facial muscles, and that will help us. The first is Shingar Ras, yani ki love and beauty. The second is Hashya Ras, yani ki laughter. The way you are able to make people laugh, that is Hashya Ras. The third is Karuna Ras, yani ki sorrow. The fourth is Rudra Ras. The fifth is Veer Ras, yani ki heroism and courage. The sixth is Bhayankar Ras, yani ki terror and fear. Then we have Bibhasta Ras, yani ki disgust. After that we have Adbhut Ras, yani ki surprise and wonder. And towards the end we have Shanti Ras, yani ki peace. हम ये सब 9 एलिमेंट्स जो है ना, हम हमेशा जीते हैं, बट हम कभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाते या नोटिस नहीं कर पाते. बट एज एन एक्टर हमें इसे प्रैक्टिस भी करना है, नोटिस भी करना है, और हमें इस एलिमेंट्स को या इस इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करने भी आना चाहिए ऑन स्क्रीन. कभी फट से हंसना तो कभी फट से रोना. दिस इज द बेस, मतलब दिस इज ABCD का A फॉर एन एक्टर, कंट्रोलिंग योर इमोशंस. यू नीड टू मेक योर फेस, योर आईज, your lips, this complete region completely expressive, and that will happen only if you practice. So this brings us to the end of this topic, and remember one thing, ki success is a habit. Second is, don't go to ask for work. काम दिखाने जाओ. ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है कि तुम काम अगर मांगने जाओगे ना, तो you will be treated as a beggar or as कि ठीक है यार उसे बिठाओ. पर अगर तुम काम दिखाने जाओगे ना, तब दैट विल बी अ विन-विन सिचुएशन फॉर यू. तब जाके लोग आपको नोटिस करेंगे. तो काम मांगने मत जाओ, दिखाने जाना. दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर इफ यू आर अ स्ट्रगलर, ये स्ट्रगल नहीं है, ये एक संघर्ष है. If you are looking at your journey as a struggle now, then definitely you're not going to be satisfied. And lastly, I will end with a quote which is said by none other than our very dynamic guru as well as a beautiful filmmaker, Mr. Navkumar Raju. Until we meet again, have a wonderful day, and do subscribe to Bollywood Abhinay, because there are a lot of amazing topics on this channel, and we at Bollywood Abhinay not only motivate people to become actors but become better as a complete person. So go check out our other videos. Definitely there's something that could inspire you, that could guide you, and that could give you a different aspect of life altogether. Take care, stay blessed. Bye.
दुनिया से लिए गए अनुभवों को, एक्सपीरियंसेस को अपने भीतर ले जाना. जो देखा, जो पढ़ा, जो सुना, जो समझा, उन सारे अनुभवों को, उन सारे चलचित्रों को अपने भीतर ले जाना. फिर उसमें अपना खुद का कुछ ऐड करना. नहीं तो मिमिक्री आर्टिस्ट कहलाओगे. अपना खुद का उसमें कुछ ईजाद करना, उसकी रियाज करना, प्रैक्टिस करना, और फिर वक्त मिलते ही उन सारे कैरेक्टर्स को बाहर लाकर परफॉर्म करना. ये है अभिनय, और जो इसे करता है वो कहलाता है अभिनेता.